Good morning, this is MetLoop meteorologist Dave Elliott with your weather update for Tuesday, October the 18th. Looking at the national satellite and radar loop, it's another mostly calm and beautiful morning across the country. We do have a cold front extending from the eastern Great Lakes region down through Oklahoma and back into the southern Rocky Mountains. Outside of that, however, high pressure is the rule today. Current temperatures across the nation look very similar to how they looked this time 24 hours ago, with the high pressure keeping the eastern half of the country warm and the western half of the country experiencing some chilly temperatures back behind that cold front. You can see the dividing line there, the colder air to the north. By Thursday night, however, we do expect to see a pretty big change in the pattern, with that cold air moving southward and eastward, bringing those cold temperatures down all the way across the southeastern U.S. We're looking at the lows in the 40s here by Saturday morning in Florida, and highs only up into the 60s by that afternoon. And we'll finally be getting our first legitimate taste of winter down here. For the day today, we'll see some spotty thunderstorm activity down in areas of the Gulf Coast states this afternoon as a result of the daytime heating and plenty of available moist air coming in from the Gulf. Areas most likely to see these storms will be the central peninsula of Florida and areas from Houston eastward to just east of Pensacola, Florida. And along that cold frontal boundary, we will see some thunderstorm and rain shower activity develop by this afternoon as that colder air moves down from the north and interacts with the warmer, moist air down into the south. While we could see some very isolated reports of hail and stronger wind gusts, we aren't really expecting any type of large-scale severe storm activity along there today. And out west, we could see some thunderstorm activity from northern Utah up through central Idaho and then along the coastal areas of Oregon and Washington state. And while there could be some gusty winds as a result, we certainly aren't expecting anything nearly as strong as we saw yesterday, where there were gusts in the 60 to 70 mile per hour range. And that's your U.S. outlook for today. I hope you have a great weather day wherever you are, and be sure to follow MetLoop on Facebook and Twitter for all the latest and most accurate weather information.